Good morning, YouTube followers. Happy Saturday. Thanks for tagging along. Here we have a conveyor chute from the City of Henderson Water District. And it's 7 inches tall, row grommets top and bottom, a 2.5 inch flange that bolts to a steel flange, so one machine can shake and the other machine does not. And it captures everything that falls down the middle. This is the sample I was brought to duplicate. I cannot destroy that sample. So we go ahead and make a drawing for our mind's eye that duplicates to me so I can see what I'm building, basically. And when you put a tape measure in it, in the corner, it's 18.5, but out in the middle, they're 19. It's a 19-inch throat. So that's the way we built it, was a 19-inch throat. A 7-inch height and a 2.5 inch lip, top and bottom. So when we flatten it out, we have 7-inch. We want to double these over for the grommets. So instead of a 2.5 inch, it would be 5. So to do the math, the piece is going to be 17 3/8. We lose when we sew, so I'm going to add 3/8 of an inch just to ensure that I have a 7-inch height. I want to make sure it's 7 inches tall. Then when you unwind it, I do want an overlap. And since they're 19 times 4, 76 inches. We'll add 2 for an overlap to give us 78 inches. And out of the material I had in the shop, we were able to get 3 of the 4 pieces that they wanted. There they are at 78 inches long. And I've already done my hem. So now there's 7 inches in the middle with a 2.5 inch flange. And now we'll mark where to make the slices for the 19-inch throat. Make it a big box. Fun projects that don't float. And of course I do make a sample for us because they want this piece back. So I made us a sample out of just some scraps laying around and labeled it as such. It's a 19-inch throat. It's 17 3/8 wide. It's 78 inches long. The chalk line is 5 inches from the edge to make a 2.5 inch lip, and the corners are squared. It's just a 6-inch square with a notch cut out to double up to make the corner square for the grommets. So we'll be able to hang on to that. If they ever want another one, we'll have it hanging on the wall. Our Market Water District. And more fun projects here at PI Upholstery. Thanks for following along.